Chapter 1, second part of hand, Etabs and Revit. In this part, we are going to model the simple concrete beam in the previous example by Etabs software, and then structural analyze and design it. To start, select new model from the file menu, then we select the setting related to the grids and specify the number in X, Y, and Z and adjust the distance from each other. From the Define menu, select Section Properties and the Frame section. Then we select Add New Properties section and so select the rectangular concrete beams. In the opened window, we define the setting related to the depth and width of beam and the type of beam materials. After selecting the drawing beam option, we specify it and then draw it in the specific grids. Now from the Assign menu, we select the specification and properties related to the support, roller support and ingot support for a single beam. At this point, our modeling is complete and loading begins. We want to apply the loads on the beam as in the previous example. We select load and distributed load from the Assign Frame option. First, we enter the load of 1 kg per foot for the dead load, and then we enter the load of 2 kg